Okay, y'all, so I'm sorry I didn't film an intro for this video, but yeah, so just watch me do my makeup for graduation, and then after you guys finish watching me do my makeup, I will talk a little bit about my high school experience. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later.
But no one's worried. We ain't deserving of everything heaven and earth is what it is. Good faces smiles. No one's perfect. But no one.
Whole time I thought I was recording and I wasn't.
Oh my god, Ronnie. White J's, white Porsche, white wrist, white horse.
I'm getting really irritated right now. So I'm just gonna continue my face makeup, and then I'll do the lashes very last. If I can't get them to put on, I don't care. I'm not wearing lashes today then, because I'm over it. Like I'm just ready to get my diploma and I'm over it. I look like trash. Yeah, let's go. I look like straight trash, but I need to film the rest of this video. So yeah, yesterday I filmed my little get ready with me for graduation video, but it failed, as you saw. I was planning to talk throughout the video, but then I realized that I didn't have time to talk throughout the video because I really needed to focus on my makeup so I wouldn't be late. So yes, yesterday was my graduation. I finally graduated high school. Woo, yeah. But anyway, I'm here to talk about a little bit my high school experience, since that was what I was supposed to talk about while I was doing my makeup. My high school experience. Freshman year, I was nervous as hell. Like, should I start cussing on my channel? I don't know. I feel like I'm the type of person, like, if we being honest right now, I really think I have anxiety, like, when it comes to big changes in my life. But I mean, I feel like that should be pretty common for everybody. Like, if there's a big change going on in your life, you're bound to have a lot of anxiety, not a lot, but to have some anxiety. Freshman year, I was really nervous. You know, I still have my friends from middle school that I knew, like, we all went to the same high school, but the only thing was, like, all my friends had, like, classes together. So I'm not digging in my nose, I'm fixing my nose piercing. But all my friends had classes together, and I was the only one who didn't have classes with them. And I didn't have lunch either. I didn't have lunch with any of my friends. So all my friends had, like, they had 6th period lunch or, like, 4th period lunch, and I had 5th period lunch. So I was just like, who am I gonna sit with? And then we looked at our schedules and we didn't have the same classes. So I was just really, you know, I had a lot of built up anxiety or whatever. Sophomore year was fun because of driver's ed. I remember stressing out about driver's ed sophomore year, but driver's ed was like my favorite class of the whole day because, you know, I got to learn how to drive. Like, I felt like, wow, like, I'm grown, I'm learning how to drive. And then sophomore year, I think, was when, either freshman year or sophomore year was when I got my nose pierced. I got this pierced. I got a pierced for my 15th birthday. So I was feeling grown. I was like, yes, I'm growing up. I'm in high school. I don't have people treating me like a baby anymore. They're treating me like a young adult. So I was really happy about that. Anyway, so junior year was straight trash. Like, when I tell you it was trash, it was garbage. Like, I hated junior year. Like, in my personal life and in my school life, junior year just was not a great year for me, you know. I had a lot of family drama going on my junior year that I probably really don't want to go into in this video, but I am definitely, like, I'm really trying to focus on being me, telling my truths. And, you know, but I know that I need to keep some things personal, but I know that some of the stuff that I've gone through can help people. So I'm really just trying to find that balance of, like, you know, being open, but being open when I'm ready, but not being too open. My cousin had passed away. You know, then it was like the whole stress with, like, oh, they pay attention to your junior year a lot on, like, transcripts and stuff. So I was, like, trying to keep up with my grades. I was taking honors and AP classes, and you know, people, like, trying to, you know, get me started thinking about college. And I don't know, it was just a lot that was going on, and I was just really, like, if we're gonna be honest, I was really depressed. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, I was really depressed my junior year, and it was because it was just so much stress on me. And I feel like they put a lot of stress on you your junior year, like, within school, but then it was like I was going through stuff outside of school, and a lot of people picked up on that. Like, now that I think back about it, like, people always just ask me, like, you know, why do I look so sad, why do I look so depressed? Like, I will always, the stuff I would say was, like, really depressing. You know, I never really went out. And then on top of that, I was working a job too. Like, I was working, and then trying to do the SATs. I don't know, it was just way too much going on for me at that time.
and I was really, really depressed. Like, now that I think about it, it's like really sad, because I remember just coming home and just feeling like so defeated, and like, I don't know, I just didn't feel, I just low-key didn't feel like myself. And a lot of people picked up on that. Even people in my family really picked up on that. And this is something that a lot of people don't know about me, but that was the year that I started going to therapy, because I was just like, I wasn't in the right place. I wasn't in the right place, and the stuff that I was going through, no teenager should really have to deal with that. And I was just like in this dark place, and I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna go and talk to somebody. And I feel like there's nothing wrong with that. And I feel like in general as a society, but especially within the black community, like, if you say that you go to therapy, people think like, oh, you're crazy, or I don't know, they think, I really don't know what it is, but black people don't like to ask for help. And I was just like, I don't like feeling like this. And I've seen people before in my life, you know, not get help for their mental issues. And I was like, I don't want to grow up and be miserable. I don't want to grow up and be on drugs. I don't want to grow up and be an alcoholic. I don't want to grow up and be anything like what I've seen. So let me go do something about it right now. And I can honestly say that it helped me a lot. It helped me learn a lot about myself that I didn't know. And I'm not saying that I'm just like this healed, magical person. Even though that was junior year, this was like probably going on 2 years ago now. I still have issues that I talked about in therapy that I still haven't resolved yet today. But I can say it's helped me learn a lot about myself, and it helped me come out of that dark place that I was in at that moment. But yeah, anyways, junior year was trash. And then senior year came. I felt scammed. I felt finessed. And I felt cheated, because people were telling me, you know, when you get to your, when you get to your senior year, it's going to be all fun. And, you know, you're going to just be hanging out with friends. It's just a chill year because you're pretty much done now. But no, they lied to me. I really didn't. Let me keep my composure. Yeah. But anyways, yes, that's just like my little chit chat rant thing, whatever, about high school. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time with a new YouTube video. Bye.